My name is Mollie Sheilds-Uehling, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Safe Biopharma, which stands for Signatures and Authentication for Everyone. And Safe Biopharma is a nonprofit collaboration that was started by the major pharmaceutical companies to develop a digital identity standard around trust for authentication as well as digital signatures. And the standard is developed to facilitate the transformation of the industry from paper-based processes to fully electronic, basically moving business to the cloud to 21st century business processes.
Well, that sounds great. Now, you were on a panel, and what was the panel's topic?
The panel was about big data, and it covered a variety of issues around big data. So the big picture is that big data holds the potential to provide information to policymakers, decision makers that would substantially improve healthcare, that could move research forward by a great leap because you can have access to huge quantities of data, you can assess it in ways and analyze it in ways that have not been possible before. But that in order to do that and to reap the rewards of the big data potential, there's a lot that has to go on underneath it. You need the infrastructure, you need the ecosystem, you need the rules and governance around it, you need the tools to make it happen, and you need the underlying strategies to go with sort of the tactical issues. And so we discussed a range of these, and it was kind of a broad-ranging discussion.
And what do you think the takeaway point would have been with the audience?
Well, I think the takeaway point is essentially what I just said, that there is this tremendous potential from big data and just across the spectrum of life sciences and healthcare. And we're really at the beginning of being able to access it and to use it in ways that can transform the way we deliver health, the way we deliver medicines. And that a great deal has to, we need a great deal of experimentation, a great deal of new tools and applications and experimentation with it before it's going to be a full-blown, how do I say this, a full-blown contribution to our society.
Fantastic. And now you're at a show like this, and what do you think of these types of shows?
So I think these shows are very, very useful, very valuable. Most people in companies are focused on their daily jobs. I need to bring this new molecule to regulatory approval, or I need to deliver this new service to patients. And what happens is these shows are an opportunity to network with others who are doing similar things and to learn from what they're doing. But very importantly, it's also an opportunity to meet with the vendor community, because much of the innovation is taking place and much of the resolutions of problems that companies have are taking place within the vendor community. So it's a great interchange between vendors, between commercial companies, and between academics, where a great deal of the basic research is taking place and many of these basic research tools are being developed.